Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. Hola! Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. So today we're gonna be doing a DIY face mask. It's my first time doing a DIY, but I definitely have some crafting skills, I guess. So let me show you how to do a face mask at home so you can also do it. And actually, I use all my old clothes. So these are cotton shirts. It's nice. So it's a DIY face mask, which is very useful in the light of the COVID-19 events today. And this one is reusable. And it's FASHUN. FASHUN, guys. Okay, let me show you how to make a face mask. I finally finished my face mask back. FASHUN. Look. It's just my idea, you know. Looks like it's for kids though. Let's try it on. You see? The spikes is for social distancing, so they don't come near you. Not a bad idea. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the ding ding notification bell. So, thank you for watching. See you again. Stay indoors, stay healthy, stay safe. Don't go out. Maybe make a mask, like this mask. Ciao.